हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्ते, वेलकम बैक। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग माय वीडियोस। कैसे हैं आप सब? आज हम बनाने वाले हैं पाव या लादी पाव।
They are so tempting and irresistible, so let's get started and make them. To make ladi pav, I have taken 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of dry active yeast, 3/4 cup of lukewarm milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of butter, and total I required half cup of water. Here I have taken 3/4 cup of lukewarm milk, and this I am going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar and stir it. In this same bowl I am going to add yeast and give it a gentle stir and cover it for 10 minutes and keep it aside. After 10 minutes, let's check the yeast. It has risen. It has become thick and foamy. Here in a large bowl, we will take 2.5 cups of maida or all-purpose flour. In this, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it. And then we'll add the yeast mixture in it and mix it. In this, we will add little by little water and prepare a soft dough. In the beginning, the dough will be very sticky to the hands, but don't worry, we can use butter as well as all-purpose flour. 1 to 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour also we can use to prepare the dough. We had to knead the dough for at least 10 to 12 minutes. After 12 minutes of kneading, the soft dough is ready. Here I have greased another bowl with butter and all-purpose flour. Now in this bowl, we'll keep the dough. We'll cover it with a napkin and keep it aside for 1.5 hours. So here I have taken a baking tray. On this I am going to apply butter and spread the butter paper on it. Same procedure I'll do for the bread tray also. After 1.5 hours, let's check the dough. The dough has risen double its size. That means it's perfect. So here we'll make holes in the dough and knead it again for 5 more minutes. We'll divide the dough into equal parts, and then from each part we'll make small balls out of it. After making small balls of the dough, we'll keep them in the baking tray. While placing the balls in the baking tray, we'll keep some space in between them. And now we'll cover the baking tray with a wet towel and keep it aside for 40 minutes. preheat the oven at 375 degree Fahrenheit. After 40 minutes, let's check the baking tray. As we can see, the dough has risen again. Just before baking, we'll brush the pav with milk, either with hand or a brush. Here I am using my hands. We'll place the baking tray in the oven, which is already preheated, and we'll bake this at 395 degree Fahrenheit for 27 minutes. After 27 minutes, they are almost done. We'll remove the baking tray and place it on a cooling rack for some time. After 5 minutes, I am applying ghee. You can also apply butter on the surface of the bread. Remove the pav or bread from the baking tray and keep it on a cooling rack for some time. So here's a soft, fluffy, moist, warm bread ready. You can have this with pav bhaji, vada pav, samosa, dabeli, burger,